Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. This is time for review 2. Let's start. Choose the correct option. 1. But the point here is that it is not that convenient. The underlined word means convenient means आसान, easy. 2. Though both of these mediums cover the news effectively, there are distinct differences in the way they do it. The underlined word means, we studied in the translation of TV versus newspaper that distinct means बहुत वाज़ेह, मुमताज़. So, बहुत वाज़ेह फ़र्क हो, that is clear differences. 3. I am prepared to excel and make it much further in the years to come with my college education. The underlined word means excel is with excellent, so it is very easy to determine its meanings. It is to do extremely well. सिर्फ अच्छा नहीं, बहुत अच्छा करना is excel. 4. The last couple of years have been a long bumpy ride for me, as they have for everyone of my age. The underlined phrase means, yes, we discussed in the translation that मुश्किल रास्ता जिसमें बहुत ups and downs होते हैं, that is hard and challenging. 5. Everyone had a dash on his or her face on the way home. Which connotation is more positive? Grin, smile, and smirk. Smile is the most positive in these three. The synonym of lovely is pyara. That is beautiful. Students, keep this thing in mind that while attempting the objective of your paper, students usually get confused between synonyms and antonyms. बहुत ध्यान से और अलर्ट माइंड के साथ आपको ये नोटिस करना है कि आपसे synonym पूछा जा रहा है या antonym. Synonym means the same meaning and antonym means the opposite meaning. So, इसके लिए बहुत तवज्जो की ज़रूरत है ये डील करते हुए. Okay, next 7 is the synonym of culprit is जिसने जुर्म किया हो, जिसने कुछ गलत किया हो. So, innocent and honest both are positive words, and offender is its synonym. 8. The antonym of abandon is, the meaning of abandon is छोड़ देना किसी को. And the C option, desert, means abandon, but you are asked the antonym of this word, not the synonym. Desert is synonym of abandon, and किसी को छोड़ देना, and its opposite is कि किसी को support करना. That's why support is its antonym. 9. The antonym of bright is antonym. इसका opposite, bright का opposite क्या होगा? Of course, dark. 10. Someone ate my cookies. The underlined word is an. Yes, we discussed in detail about indefinite pronouns. This is indefinite pronouns. That specific identification is not given here. 11. The watchman blew his whistle. The underlined word is an. Now, blew is verb and it has an object after it, a direct object, whistle. So, this is a transitive verb. 12. I'm afraid I cannot afford to spend too much money. The underlined part of the sentence is an. To spend. You know, gerund is always with ing. And participle, if it is past participle, it is with ed, and if it is present participle, it is with ing. So Infinitive starts with to plus verb. This is very clear infinitive. 13. Who is the man at the door? The underlined word is a am. This is question. So, interrogative pronoun is the right option. 14. A clever trick was played successfully by the cat. The underlined word is an adverb of. Now, played is verb and successfully is describing the action played. हमें बताया जा रहा है कि कैसा प्ले किया गया, कैसा प्ले हुआ, सक्सेसफुली प्ले किया गया. सो इट इज़ द एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर, जिसमें अंदाज बताया जा रहा है कि सक्सेसफुल था या फेलियर था. इट इज़ नॉट ऑफ प्लेस एंड नॉट ऑफ टाइम. It is adverb of manner. 15. Our practice usually starts at 6 o'clock. The underlined word is an adverb of. Usually, अक्सर, आम तौर पे. So, ये कितने times होता है, कितनी बार होता है, that is related to frequency. This is an adverb of frequency. 16. If he offers me a job, I dash it. We studied in the previous lesson that in first conditional sentences, on one side there will be present indefinite tense, and on the other side, where the result is given, there future indefinite tense will be given. So, will accept a job, I will accept it. 17. Yesterday at 5 o'clock, I dashed apples. This is simple past indefinite tense, so 8 is the right option. 18. By the time we got to the cinema, the film dash, so we missed the first 5 minutes. Now, if there is past indefinite tense on one side of a sentence, in one part of a sentence, in the other part of that sentence, we usually put past perfect tense. Here, we missed is past indefinite tense. So, in the other part of the sentence, we will add with had started, which is past perfect tense. 19. Flying above the lake at this time of night seems a little dangerous. The underlined phrase is am. Flying, ing, which itself is showing that it is a gerund, because flying is not a verb here. Verb is seems. It is a noun with ing, so it is a gerund phrase. 20. They invited us to their home yesterday. What tense is it? Keep this thing in your mind that second form of verb is used in only one tense, and that is past indefinite tense, and invited is past indefinite. Though the third form of invite is also invited, but third form is always required with had, has, have, or in passive voice form. Here is just simple invited. It means it is second form of the verb and it is past indefinite tense. 21. A new computer was bought by them. Choose the correct active voice. Was bought. Was with third form of the verb, as there is always third form of the verb in passive voice, but was with third form of the verb is always the passive voice of past indefinite tense. And which option is past indefinite tense? I have told you a few lines back that past indefinite tense is with second form of the verb, simple second form of the verb, and it is only used in past indefinite. So it is they bought, because buy is present and have bought is perfect. So bought is the right option. Answer the following questions. 1. How can we raise the status of our country in the world? Answer is, we can raise the status of our country in the world by getting education and making progress in science and technology, and by playing a positive and useful role in every field of life. 2. What will be the effect of sunshine over raindrops? Answer is, the sunshine will brighten the dark raindrops. 3. What role can media play in bringing harmony in society? Media has a great effect on people's minds. It forms the public opinion. Media can bring people of different sects closer to each other and bring harmony in the society. 4. Co-curricular activities prepare students for future. How? Answer is, co-curricular activities help students to learn a variety of skills and improve their confidence and tolerance. यानी इससे आपको डिफरेंट स्किल्स ही नहीं मिलती, बल्कि आपके अंदर जो कॉन्फिडेंस होता है और टॉलरेंस लेवल होता है वो भी इंक्रीज होता है, और ये ज़िंदगी में सक्सेसफुल होने के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी चीज़ें हैं. सो इन दिस वे students get prepared for the future. Grammar and composition portion. In it, you will do for this week pair of words from 70 to 78. These are the last 8 pair of words, and they are at page number 178. And in paragraph translation from Urdu to English, you will do the paragraph numbers 13, 14 and 15. And they are at page number 140 and 141. And you will learn the essay courtesy in this week and learn all these topics very well. Solve this review in your books and write the question answers in your notebooks and practice all these things again and again, and definitely improvement will be there for you. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.